Hello! Today we are making tomato basil soup. The first thing you're going to want to do is set your oven to 350 degrees. While we wait for the oven to heat up, we are going to cut our onion, our garlic cloves, and our carrots. Real quickly, because my oven just went off, we're going to want to put your tomatoes on a baking sheet with parchment paper. You want about 5 to 6 tomatoes. And then after you get the tomatoes on, you're going to want to drizzle them with about, about a 1/4 cup olive oil, maybe like 2 tablespoons olive oil, and then sprinkle like some salt and pepper on it. Don't over salt it because like vegetable broth and stuff will have salt in it. So do that, get it in the oven. You're going to want to wait for about 8 minutes. So just let it sit for 8 minutes and continue cutting or whatever you were doing. I'm so sorry, I just realized that I read the wrong section. You're going to actually let the tomatoes roast for 1 hour and then take them out. So if it's been 8 minutes for you, just pop them back in for about 40 something minutes. I don't know the math for that, but yeah. Okay, after you finish cutting all of your vegetables, you're going to get a large pot and put 2 tablespoons of olive oil into the pot. You're going to put that on medium heat. Add all the vegetables you just chopped with 1 teaspoon of salt and cook until it's soft for about 8 minutes. Okay, after your tomatoes finish roasting, you're going to want to put them into your pots with all your other vegetables. And then you're going to add your thyme. Add 3 cups of vegetable oil and 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, or a little extra. And then let that simmer for about 20 minutes. That's what the pot should look like before it starts simmering. Okay, after the 20-minute timer goes up, you're going to want to pour that whole thing into a blender and blend it until everything's mixed in, and also add your basil into the blender as well. After that, you're going to want to pour it back into your pot and heat it up a little bit more. And then add a little bit more thyme and basil. Here. Just add a little bit more basil and yeah, I know. Add a little bit of thyme and basil and save some to garnish the top of your bowls. And this is the finished result of the tomato basil soup. Thank you for watching, and come back next time where I make some other random thing that's not decided quite yet. Bye!